Hi and welcome to BikeNord. My name is Göran. Today we will talk about the new brand of suspension that we have in the house, and it's from the company called FOX Factory. They are building suspension for all kind of vehicles, cars, trucks, motorcycles, bicycles, etc. Snowmobiles as well. Today we have the opportunity to try this suspension out on this Street Glide Special behind me. We are building a little bit more performance Harley with a 124 cubic inch kit. And last year we ran this bike with Legend suspension, and now it's time to try out FOX Factory suspension. You can read more about the FOX suspension on the webpage, ridefox.com. There you can see all the different suspension to different vehicles. We are focused on Harley Davidson, and FOX are doing that as well. They have a normal suspension with rebound, etc., and they have this suspension with an external reservoir. This is the suspension that they ride on their BRL bike, and they have developed this suspension together with Roland Sands, and it will be with external reservoir, as I told you, and it will be very interesting to see how this will handle on the bike. But first, let's open the box and see what's inside. Oh. So we have neat, everything is packed very nice in soft material. We have the suspension here and the parts that we need to actually mount it on the bike is over here. So let's look on the suspension. Let's see how it looks like. Let's open this one. Okay. So this is how it looks. It's actually the first time I see it myself, and it will mount like this, I can imagine. And yeah, the first look is actually really good. I can feel and looks like it's very nice product. I will lay it over there so we can look at it a little bit closer. I will take out this part as well so we can look at that too. So the suspension is actually, there is the preload that I think there is a handle for that comes with in the box, so you can adjust the preload. You have a rebound adjustment here, and it says firm and soft. And I think there is, there is 3 adjustment points on that one. So you have the preload, the rebound adjustment, then you have also an extra adjustment where you can put a little bit more closer adjustment on the preload. Here can you put more firm or softer for more comfort. And there should be a mounting kit, because the only way you can mount this, it seems to be between the fender and the saddlebag. So let's see what we can find inside the box. Okay, so here we have some different stuff to mount it. We have an instruction sheet. Very important to have, of course. I like when they are detailed, and this instruction sheet seems to be very detailed. Yeah, it looks good, the instruction sheet. And what do we have here? Okay, here we have the brackets for the external reservoir. It's in billet aluminium, and yeah, it's a pity there is a little scratch here, but yeah, maybe it could be packed a little bit better, or I only have some unlock here. But anyway, for example, if you buy Legend, I like Legend a lot, very good suspension. This part for the mounting of the external reservoir, you have to buy separately. Here with the FOX suspension, it comes in the box, and that I actually like. Yeah, there is a sticker with that as well. A very big one. Maybe you can put that on the car or something. Here we have some plastic adjustment tool that goes here. So when you adjust the preload, you use this tool. Exactly how it works, I have to figure out. Anyway, it seems to be a little bit cheap, but it's plastic, so you don't scratch your adjustment ring. So that's nice, I think. And here we got some other parts. Yeah, here we got the brackets for the external reservoir. So probably it will be mounted like this somehow on the bike, blah blah blah. Will be mounted something like this on the bike. Yeah, so these two pieces that actually mounts the external reservoir, it's in the box. I like that. So yeah, that's more or less about it. I will give you a notification when this stuff is on the street light behind me, and hopefully we can take it for a test run and see how it handles together with Fox factory suspension. And I'm really looking forward to try this out. So until then, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you will get a notification when there is a new video on YouTube. So see you in the next one. Have a really nice day.